because I think if your screening is correct, 95% of the time you will get paid, just a question of when. So first of all, what are the different types of students, and then how do you screen each one of them? Now I'm going to start with the easy one first, okay, which is your private bursaries. Now a private bursary, just for me, means that it's not an NSFAS bursary and it's not a privately funded student. It's all these other bursaries that you get. You get ESCOM bursaries, you get Department of Water Affairs bursaries, CETA bursaries, Fundi bursaries. So there's quite a lot of other institutions that offer bursaries to students. And those ones are very simple. As soon as a student tells you, listen, I have a bursary, then they say that it's not an NSFAS bursary, then the first thing you need to ask them is for their bursary letter. And on that bursary letter will be their